Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today's day 3 of our ecology deep dive, and we're tackling a concept that's absolutely fundamental to understanding our planet: biodiversity. If you've ever wondered why nature is so incredibly varied, you're in the right place. This idea is a game, and it affects every living thing, including us. So, let's get started and unravel what biodiversity is all about. So, what exactly is biodiversity? It's a big word, but the idea is pretty simple. Biodiversity, short for biological diversity, is the incredible variety of life found in a particular habitat or ecosystem. We're talking about everything from the tallest trees to the tiniest bacteria on the soil. It includes all the plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. When an ecosystem has high biodiversity, it means it's home to a huge number of different species, all interacting with each other. On the flip side, low biodiversity means there are only a few species present. Think of it as a spectrum, from a bustling, crowded city of life to a nearly empty town. Now, why should we care about this? Why does it matter if an ecosystem has 10 species or 10,000? Well, it matters a lot. Ecosystems with high biodiversity are healthier, more resilient, and more stable. They are like a well-built ship that can weather any storm when a disturbance hits, like a wildfire, a severe drought, or a disease outbreak. A biodiverse ecosystem has a much better chance of bouncing back. Why? Because if one species is wiped out, or its population declines, other species are there to step in and fill its ecological role. A bit like substitutes on a sports team. This web of life is so interconnected that having more connections makes the entire system stronger. In contrast, an ecosystem with low biodiversity is fragile. Losing just one or two key species can cause the whole thing to collapse. Let's use an example to make this crystal clear. Picture a vibrant coral reef. It's an explosion of life, right? You have thousands of species of colorful fish, different types of coral building the structure, sharks, sea turtles, algae, crabs, and countless other organisms. This is a classic example of a high biodiversity ecosystem. Each species has a job, and they all depend on each other. Now contrast that with a commercial cornfield. For miles and miles you see just one species of plant, corn. This is a human-made ecosystem with extremely low biodiversity. If a specific disease that targets corn were to strike, or a particular pest that loves corn arrives, the entire system could be wiped out in no time. There's no backup plan, no other species to keep things going. The difference in stability between the reef and the cornfield is massive, and it's all down to biodiversity. To wrap it up for today, biodiversity is nature's insurance policy. It's the variety of life that protects ecosystems, making them robust and capable of supporting all the living things within them, including us. The more variety you have, the stronger and more resilient the ecosystem becomes. It's a beautiful and complex system that we are still learning about every day. Thanks for joining me for day 3. We'll continue our exploration tomorrow, so be sure to come back. See you then.